Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We're going to showcase our 4th generation Tacoma TRD Pro today. We're going to take it off-roading with a couple of our buddies. And before we dive into this, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has supported this build, especially King Shocks. They were the first to release a premium top-tier suspension setup for the 4th generation Taco. They took care of this one and our white TRD Off-Road. Also to Camburg Racing, which provided us with their premium Kinetik billet uniball upper control arms and the 4 rear billet links. ADD Off-Road also, for their superior armor, they provided us with their stealth center mount winch bumper, skid plate, chase rack, and chase spare tire mounts for the bed. Thanks to Banks Power for the eye dash so I can easily see what the heck's all happening in detail on the truck. Also to Cali Rays LED, the original Cali Rays LED out in Texas, for rocking with us, providing us with the gloss black Trail Series rock sliders and ditch light brackets. Also thanks to Well Visors. WESTCOTT Designs for providing us with their low pro roof rack in gloss black to match the rest of the theme of the Terra Pro. And also thanks to Baja Design, S-Pod, Soft Topper, Worn Winch, Factor55, Needle Tires, AWE Tuning, and all for their support. And especially RRW Wheels for providing their premium gloss black Flowform RR7H wheels. If I missed anyone, sorry, but I'll get in more detail in another video when I do a walk around of the truck. So here we have it. We met up a couple of our buddies and we're heading up Elephant Hill. It's located east of Los Angeles. The thing about this spot is that everybody's been going here off-roading because it's so close to home. I mean, for a lot of us in LA at least, and we don't have to drive very far to get to it. Unfortunately, apparently, off-roading is not allowed here, and we didn't know that. We've been doing this and it has been fine, but keep on watching and you'll see. LAPD came out stopping us and also sent out their airship. The helicopter came for us. It was pretty wild. Here we're climbing up one of the first hills. As we reach the top, I jumped out to grab some footage of the boys coming up. Here's a 5th gen 4Runner, a Jeep TJ, a 4th gen 4Runner, and last but not least, a true rear wheel drive pre-runner Tacoma. He's determined not to get stuck, so he's gonna full send it. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California. We're located in the city of Baldwin Park and we work on a ton of Toyota trucks. If you're looking to get some work done for your vehicle, reach out to us anytime. We work on all makes and models, cars and trucks. This spot is pretty chill. Just little climbs here and there, nothing too major, a couple steep ones, but nothing too technical. It's kind of hard to capture it in the video, but it's a little bit more steep than it looks here. See, going downhill for this pre-runner is cake, of course, but watch him struggle in a little bit when he tries to go uphill. Here's our buddy Johnny about to climb this hill. His 5th gen 4Runner does have a track and he has a set of King Shocks with Icon Delta Joint upper control arms on it. If you want to see more of our work, make sure to check us out on Instagram at 88 Rotors Off-Road. And if you want a lift kit for your vehicle, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have a lot of prepackaged and pre-assembled and pre-adjusted lift kits ready to be installed and ready to be shipped. And here's our boy John hitting it next with his Jeep TJ. He spins his tires a little bit halfway up, but eventually gains traction and zips right through it. The pre-runner Tacoma is next, and he's gonna have a little bit of trouble trying to get up this one. As he's struggling to get up, our buddies on the radio let us know that on the other side of the hill, they already encountered LAPD. They stopped us and they're ready to give us some tickets. What a bummer. All of a sudden, the airship comes in. They get on their PA system and make fun of our boy in the pre-runner, telling him to get a 4x4. It was pretty hilarious. With the airship around us and the patrol units on the ground waiting for us on the other side, they actually allowed us a little bit of time to pull our buddy out. We finally got him over, and we're gonna go meet the cops now. I really support cops. We do a lot of law enforcement discounts, and we pay a lot of respect to the guys that risk their lives for us, protecting us and the community. We love cops, to be honest, and we understand what they're doing here is just their job. It's not a big deal to us. If this is a place where we're not supposed to be off-roading, we shouldn't. After having a talk with them, they were very cool about it. They showed us on paperwork what the violation was, and it said it was $500 per vehicle for something like this. But luckily, they just let us go with a warning. Shout out to LAPD for that. Thanks, guys. We already give law enforcement discounts at the shop, but hey, like you said, the one that said they had a 23 Tacoma, if you want to come into the shop, let me know. I'll definitely take care of you. Until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, take care.